Role of technoscience and social science in transforming life and society towards achieving Sustainable Development Goals 2025 haiba thimda numit humni chumna chathagadaba National Conference ama Manipur University da ngasidagi hokrai. Sustainable Development purakna bahonabada long-term thinking amadi moral principle da yumfam oifam thoi. Sustainability asi Panthungfam nate journey amani haina Manipur University Vice Chancellor Professor N. Lokendra na fongdokrai. Seminar asi Manipur University, Manipur Science and Technology Council amadi Pan India Manipuri Maitei Scientists and Academician Association apuna senduna Manipur University ki auditorium da chathari. Seminar hogdopagi thoramadu da Professor Lokendra na aikoina sustainable development ki pandam fangna bokhwana ba inclusive oiba mathau tari. Masigi mathakta economic growth, social well-being amadi environment protection ki wafam ga chatminaba tai haiki. Conference asida saruk yariba scholar amadi mahiroi kaya singda makhoi gi academics amadi professional gi lamda changsinba matamda wakhal khara chawthokpa wahang hangba amadi sustainable development goal asina makhoi gi maruoiba pandam oihaningi. Conference asigi recommendation adu Manipur lengak amadi NEC da thaduna maram chaba forum da recommendation sing adu puthok haningi haiba wafam Vice Chancellor na fongdokhi.
Inclusivity must be at the heart of our efforts. Whether it is promoting renewable energy, sustainable agriculture, circular economies, or equitable education, our strategies must be rooted in long-term thinking and ethical considerations. Let us remember that sustainability is not a destination, but a journey, one that requires persistence, cooperation and a vision. Let this conference be a milestone in the journey where ideas meet action and where science, society and sustainability converge.